In this video, I'll show you how to build a mobile app with Replit. Start by signing into your Replit account and click Create, Replace or New Project to begin a new project. Next, choose a template or framework that supports mobile app development, or select a suitable starter project if you're building with a cross-platform framework. After that, describe the mobile app you want to create if you're using Replit AI, or begin building your project manually by adding your files and code. Now create the main screens of your app, including the home screen, navigation, buttons, forms, and any other features you need. Next, continue developing your app by adding functionality such as user authentication, API integrations, local storage, or database connectivity if required. After that, click Run regularly to test your project and fix any errors as you build. Now use the built-in preview to verify that your app's interface and features are working as expected. Next, continue refining your app by making changes, testing user interactions, and improving the overall design and performance. After that, when your app is ready, prepare it for deployment or export it using the workflow that matches your mobile app framework. Finally, test your application on a physical device or emulator before sharing it with users or publishing it to an app store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a mobile app with Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.